Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making some Haitian spaghetti with ground beef. So to get started, I already cut up one whole onion and I chopped up half a bell pepper, and I have some cherry tomatoes. Those are frozen. Those came out of my garden, and I have half a lime I'll be using. I have 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of my Haitian spice, which you guys know I do have a video up in this channel showing you guys how I make it. Make sure you check the link above to see how it's made. And I have my ground beef here, and you are going to be needing a little bit of ground clove, and you are going to be needing some olive oil, and of course you are going to be needing your spaghetti. Okay, and you can use Maggie if you use Maggie, and you will need some salt and pepper to taste, and you will also need some water to boil your pasta and to add to your sauce. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. To get started, you want to go ahead and take your ground beef and put it in a bowl, and I'm going to take most of my Epis. I'm going to leave just a little bit. I'm going to save that to make my sauce when I'm making my sauce. So all I'm doing is make sure you mix that Epis into that ground beef really well. Okay, I could do this as I cook my ground beef, but I just want to make sure that it gets to each part of my ground beef before we brown the beef. Okay, and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice. Okay, and mix that really well, and then we can start browning our beef. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high and go ahead and place your ground beef into a pan, and now we are going to brown the beef like we would brown regular ground beef, I guess. I mean, this is regular ground beef, but you guys know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and brown my beef, and then I'll come back and show you guys what to do next. So I already went ahead and removed my ground beef. I drained the fat out of it and set it to the side. So now you want to go ahead and add your olive oil. Again, you guys remember I saved that little Epis. I just like to do mine this way, but since I already put the Epis in the ground beef, you really don't have to, but this is just something that I do like doing. And then I'm going to put my tomato paste. Be careful because that oil is just popping. Okay, and I'm going to allow it to fry for like 2 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys what to do next. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and put in your onion. And stir everything in. I think I had my stove set a little too high. And put in your bell pepper as well. And I'm going to put in my frozen tomatoes. Okay. Stir everything. This is basically the same step as when I'm making my Haitian spaghetti with my sausage, and I made a meatless one for my vegan brothers and sisters. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and take that ground clove and put some in there. I use the ground clove instead of the whole clove because it's just easier to take it out. It's not easier to take it out. Gosh, I can't speak today, you guys. It's really difficult when you are eating spaghetti and you bite into that whole clove. So the ground one is just easier to take out. So you see I had put some salt. Okay, if you use Maggie cube, this is the time you can add a little bit of Maggie. And now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Okay, just to make a gravy. And now I am going to cover it and let this cook down a little bit before we add our ground beef to it. But you want to make sure you taste it. You want to make sure this sauce right here tastes really good. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and let it simmer down for a good 10 minutes. Okay, now you want to go ahead and bring in that ground beef and put that into the party. I'm actually going to save a little of mine so I can make some Haitian patties. Okay, and mix that all in. And while you're doing this, you want to go ahead and cook your pasta according to the package instructions. Okay, if you need to add a little more liquid, you definitely can do that. So I'm going to let this cook down for another 10 to 15 minutes. Don't forget to turn down your stove to medium low. Just let it simmer as we wait for that spaghetti to cook. Now you want to go ahead and grab your drained pasta. We are going to add it into that sauce. Again, your sauce should have so much flavor in it already. Okay. And now we are going to mix everything. And I'm going to let it simmer again for another good 15 minutes just so that sauce can really get into that pasta. Okay. I love eating spaghetti, especially Haitian spaghetti with ketchup. I love adding ketchup to mine. Okay, let me know down in the comment section if you like to eat your spaghetti this way, if you have tried the Haitian spaghetti with ground beef or not. Let me know. Let's chit chat. Okay, and you guys don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Please do that. I would appreciate it so much. Okay, so I'm going to cover it back up and let it simmer for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, the recipe is done. It looks so good and it smells really, really good. It shouldn't be any different from the other one that I use with the sausage or even the meatless one. So now it's time to taste. Okay, I have a fork here, so I'm going to take some. It smells so good in here. I say that a lot. My food usually always smell good. Okay, I'm going to blow on it. Seriously, you guys have to give this recipe a try. And let me know how you like it when you do try it. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the requests. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.